Hello everyone. So this is the question and count possible ways to construct buildings. So believe me, in this video you are going to completely understand this solution in Java. So first, in this question we have to find the number of ways in which we are going to construct building in one side of the road. There is two sides, one side and other left side and right side, where we have given n plots. So let's go to in my copy to understand this concept.
So as question told us, there is and plots on both side. The meaning of and plots in both side is simply that the position where buildings are can be made. Okay, but the condition is the buildings are not to be consecutive, means adjacent one by one. Okay, but spaces can be adjacent to each other. That's the whole condition. Okay, so here the examples are given by the problem. Though if n equal to 1 means there is one plot, so what is going to be the combination we can make here? We can make the building or not making any building. That the condition. Okay, meaning of this is space. We are not going to make building here. Okay, but here we notice that there is both side we have to make and plots. So by combining this side also, how many combinations are going to be made? There is four combinations are going to be met. Okay, here one, here one, so here comes two possibility, or here comes two possibility, means going to be sorry, this is going to be 2 and this is going to be 2. That's why the a will be 4. And for n equal to 3, the given condition is the value of a, means the output is given is 25. How? So here comes the role of uh, building and spaces. So here we have three different plot space where we can make our building or not make a building, simply space. Okay, but remember only one thing, that the building cannot going to be consecutive, means we cannot make b like that. It is wrong. Okay, we have to not make this combination. So here you can see the b space or b space b. You can see here in this combination the building are not consecutive. Okay, spaces are can be consecutive, as I told you. So here for the one side, ways to construct building in one side is a equal to 4. For both side, a equal to 25. Okay, so let's make another conclusion by taking n equal to 2, that is way to construct one side. Okay, so here we have two plots, b two plots, you can say two spaces where we can make building or not make building, space and then building, and space we are not going to make any building. Okay, that's all. And here 1 2 and 3, so here a equal to what? 3. Sorry, here a equal to 3. If this is one side combination, okay, the number of ways where we can make this number of combinations to make a building without any consecutive building. Okay, so for both side, what is the answer is going to be? So both side a into a, that is 9. Okay, I hope you understood this, how 9 is come. So let's make conclusion. So for n equal to 1, what is our answer? Here you can see a equal to 4, so 4 is our answer. For n equal to 2, what is our answer? That is a equal to 9, our answer is 9, so this is 9. For n equal to 3, what is our answer is 25. Okay, but what is the value of one side? This is one side, this is 2, this is 3, this is 5. Okay, for n equal to 4, what is going to be here? So here is going to be 8 and this is 13. I am not explain this n equal to 5 because this is going to be time taking process. So I have written all the uh, answer that is going to come through the n equal to 5. Okay, so here you can see the combination series, that is plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, and this is making a Fibonacci series 2 3 5 8 and 13. So let's go into the code, that is how this Fibonacci series is going to be give answer. So first I want to tell you that we are going to make this separate condition of a equal to 4 and a equal to 9. We are going to run loop from for I equal to 3. Okay, and then I less than equal to n I plus plus. Okay, or C equal to A plus B, where A is equal to what? A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Okay, how A or B comes? So here A and B, from here A and B comes. Okay, and then A equal to simply B and B equal to simply C, or here loop close. But remember here the value of C is going to be very large, so that's why we are going to use mod, as question told us that we have to use mod. So value of mod is given in the problem. So let's go to the solution, how we are going to solve this problem by using Java programming.
So this is the code of problem and this is solution. So here what I am did is, for n I have written 4 and for n equal to 2 I have written 9, as I have told you in the explanation. So here this is mod. Why I have used mod here? Because in this question they have already told us that we have to uh, find the mode of and values, means the answer is simply going to be here is very large. That's why we are going to here use mod. So in this loop the whole concept is based on the Fibonacci series. So why? So if you remove this mod, then you will be able to see that this is nothing but a Fibonacci series, where in explanation I have explained you that the series made by this problem is going to be Fibonacci, and we are going to use Fibonacci series. That's why I have used here this Fibonacci series. And then this is mod. Why I have used mod? Because here if you increase the value of n, the value of c is going to be very large. That's why I have used mod. In If you don't use the mod, then here the problems come that you can see the range. Okay, this is the range of long range. Okay, long. If you don't use a mod, then you are going to lose so many data, or you are going to be going to uh, see the wrong values or incorrect answer by the compiler. So here we go. So you can clearly see that this mode is very useful for us, because here you are seeing that -4477 blah blah blah. This is very large number, and the range you can see the long range is 92, but here comes minus man. That's why we have to use mod. Okay, I hope you understood why I have used here mod. And then in last, as you know that there is two two sides. Okay, one is left, one is right. Okay, that's here we have find C for left only. Okay, suppose left, it might be a right. It's depends on us. Okay, for left I have already found the value of C. For right we are going to multiply the C because here the combinations are made. That's why we are going to multiply c by c and finding mod. I hope you understood this problem. So thank you for watching this video, guys.